Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Before we begin, I want you to know that whatever you are feeling right now about the world, it is allowed. The heaviness is real. The worry is real. And so is this breath. Take a slow breath in through your nose. And a long, gentle exhale through your mouth. Let your body remember what it always knows. That right now, in this moment, you are safe. I want to take you somewhere today. Not away from the world, but above it. High enough to see the whole picture. Imagine for a moment that you could see the last 10,000 years of human history all at once. $10,000 ago, no writing, no medicine, no way to speak across distances. Life was short, brutal, and uncertain for almost everyone on earth. And then, slowly, something began. Humans started building, sharing, teaching each other, healing each other. Laws were written, not to control, but to protect. Medicines were discovered that saved millions of lives. Children who would have died lived. Voices that would have been silenced were heard. We abolished slavery. We gave women the right to vote. We landed on the moon. We mapped the human genome. We connected every human being on this planet through an invisible web of light and signal. Breathe in slowly. And breathe out. This is the arc of humanity, and you are living at its most awake moment. The news will never show you this. Because the news is not designed to show you what is going well. It is designed to pull your attention toward what is broken, what is dangerous, what is wrong. And when your attention stays there long enough, your nervous system starts to believe that is all there is. But that is not all there is. Take a breath and feel this. Most humans alive right now are not at war. Most children alive right now will live longer, healthier lives than any generation before them. Most people in most places wake up each morning wanting the same things you want. Safety, love, meaning, connection. We are not falling apart. We are going through a shift. And shifts are uncomfortable. Shifts look like chaos from the inside. But from the outside, from 10,000 feet above, this moment looks exactly like what it is. A turning point. A threshold. Humanity crossing into something new. Breathe in. And breathe out slowly. Now I want to bring your awareness inward. Because here is what I know to be true. The conflict we see in the world is always a reflection of the conflict within us. The wars between nations begin as wars within families. The wars within families begin as wars within ourselves. So this is your invitation right now. Gently, without judgment, ask yourself, Where is there unresolved conflict within me? A resentment I am still holding. A relationship I have been avoiding. A wound I have not yet brought into the light. Breathe into that place. You don't need to fix it today. You simply need to see it. Because awareness is where healing begins. Every time you choose peace within yourself, you are choosing peace for the world. Every argument you soften, every grudge you release, every moment you choose love over being right. These are the building blocks of a new world. We are doing this together. All of us, across every country, every language, every tradition. There are millions of people right now choosing to breathe, to reflect, to heal. You are not alone in this. We are evolving together. And we will cross this threshold together. Breathe in deeply. And exhale slowly, all the way to the bottom of the breath. As we close, I want to leave you with this. This is a beautiful world. It has always been a beautiful world. And your energy, the energy you carry, the love you give, the peace you cultivate within, that is your contribution. That is your part to play. The mission of the School of Breath is simple. to bring love and peace into this world, one breath at a time. And it starts here, with you, with this breath. Take one final deep breath in. Hold it gently at the top and release slowly, completely, as an offering. An offering of peace to yourself, to your family, to this beautiful, evolving world. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this perspective with you today. The world needs your light. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free chakra activation ebook and guided meditations. The link is in the description below. If this practice helped you feel calmer, more connected, the next step is our holistic membership. Inside, you'll get full access to all 9-week chakra balancing course, a guided experience through yoga, pranayama, healing mudras, and meditations to help you release emotional blocks, restore your energy, and bring your chakras into balance. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play Store. If you're ready to feel more grounded, confident, open-hearted, and spiritually aligned, join the membership and begin your chakra balance journey today.